So guys, my custard is ready. I'll just put in these three. This is for now, this is for night, and this is for midnight. Maybe midnight or maybe tomorrow morning.
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me.
Hey guys, welcome to another cooking session. This is cooking preparation or what, I don't know. You name it how you want. But today I want to do an update of how to make custard. Custard using sugar, custard powder, and milk. Milk, I'll need 2 glasses of milk. I have an extra one here. So let's begin. Oh, sorry. You'll start with the milk. And then you'll take your custard, just 2 spoons. Ay, nakanaya siya. And sugar. I tell you guys, today I decided I'll start with this caffeine because last time I used a spoon and ilitoka na mahali. So guys, I've taken my mixture and I've put it on my pot. My pot is in the heat already, and I'll bring this to boil as I stir. We have these things that are so small. This is the big one. You can use the small one because we don't have, and I don't want to buy it because when I go home, I'll not take anything that I bought here. So I'll just use whatever they have, okay? So I'll bring this to boil, and my custard is okay, ready. Guys, as you can see, the more it's coming to a boil, the more the consistency is changing, and now it's becoming so thick. You'll have to keep on stirring until it's thick to the consistency that you want, but don't let it burn. Okay, and for the YouTube scholars, anything I'm using doesn't belong to me, so the conditions that it is in, I'm not responsible for it. Like this pot, we use how many people use? Maybe 10 or something use the same pot, and you just have to come here, make your meal, clean, and then go. So the way people clean, it's not the same way you clean, and you cannot go to a person and tell them that, oh, you did not clean. Nobody has that time. Everybody wants to have their own peace of mind when they finish their duties and they want to sleep. So you just have to bear with the situation. If you cannot bear, you just rent your own house with your own kitchen, with your own utensils, right? So okay guys, I guess mine is ready. I'll just transfer it to a smaller bowl and let it cool down, and then my custard is ready. So guys, my custard is ready. I'll just put in these 3. This is for now, this is for night, and this is for midnight. Maybe midnight or maybe tomorrow morning. As you can see guys, there is a big difference from this custard and the first one. Oh, it's just 2. This one and the first one, because I've learned that the secret is that thing that I was using to stir. that doesn't allow your mixture to have the boys. Mahe, I don't know how the boys are called in English, but this one is smooth if you use that kasamo. If you really want your things to be smooth, just buy that thing. Even if you want to make porridge, just look for that stirring thing, and let me show you this, guys. If you want your mixture to be smooth without the boys, just buy this. Here I don't know it's how much from Kenya. I don't know how much is it, but this is the biggest one. You can buy the small one. There they have the smallest one for just like this kind of small small dishes. Just buy the small ones. So guys, that's how you make custard. This is the updated one. Tell me how you think. You cannot tell me how it tastes. I'll tell you how it tastes later when it's cold, when it's cools down. Okay guys, thanks, bye.